Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the machine. Disconnect Wi-Fi or unplug Ethernet to prevent the virus from calling home. Once done, reboot into safe mode with networking or safe mode. That keeps most malware from auto-launching. Next, update your antivirus definitions and run a full system scan. Let it quarantine suspicious files. You should write down file names, scan logs, and any registry locations the tool reports. These details matter for targeted removal and later verification. Now you perform deeper cleaning. Run a second-on-demand scanner like Malwarebytes or a reputable online tool to catch what your primary antivirus missed. Different engines find different threats. Then inspect startup entries in Task Manager, msconfig, and the registry run keys. Remove entries that point to unknown executables. Make sure to delete quarantined items only after verification, clear temporary files and browser caches, and reboot to check whether alerts return. This confirms the active components were removed. Finish by hardening the system. Apply OS and app updates, enable your firewall, and turn on real-time protection. Once you're confident the machine is clean, change passwords from a separate, trusted device and restore files only after scanning them. If notifications persist, use Rescue Media to run an offline antivirus scan. Make sure to disable System Restore before cleaning to avoid reinfection. If all else fails, back up essential data and perform a clean OS reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.